Hey there, and welcome to this helpful tutorial. Today, we're going to walk you through how to access your archived stories on Instagram using an Android phone. If you've ever posted stories and wondered where they go after 24 hours, this video is exactly what you need. Let's get started step by step. First, open the Instagram app on your Android phone. Now, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. From the list that appears, tap on Archive. This section stores your expired stories automatically if the feature is enabled. Browse through your archived stories. They are displayed by date. If you don't see any stories archived, you may need to enable the setting. Just click on Change Archive Controls in Settings, then turn on Save Story to Archive. And that's it! Now you know how to access and manage your Instagram Stories archive on Android. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials.